Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that all of you are doing great and I'm also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. So my name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English video creator. So now I am heading towards my coaching center. So that's why I thought I should make a video. So that is why I took a long breath and then opened my camera, and now I'm trying to record a video. Although it's very difficult to make this English video at this type of public place. There are so many people available beside this street, so that's why now I'm feeling little bit nervous, but still I'm trying to record a video. It's very important for me to make video every day in this type of place, because if I want to remove my shyness, if I want to remove my hesitation, then it's very important for me to make this type of video every single day. Well, so look at my left. There is a group of people. They are just sitting here and they may be gossiping each other. Just look at this. It's really nice to see. Well, so as you know, I'm a student, so today I have 3 classes to attend. So that's why now I'm just heading towards my coaching center, and it's really a busy street where you will find so many auto rickshaws when you are walking beside this street, and it's not a safe place for making video, but still I am trying to make a video. Okay, so today, if I talk about something about today's weather, it rained a while ago, but now the sun come out again and it's shining. So nice weather. Last 2 or 3 days it was very hot and humid, but today's weather is very tolerable and pleasant. So that's why now I'm feeling very comfortable. And today I have 3 classes, so it will be a long hours for me, but nothing to do as I'm a student, so it's my regular duty and study is my first priority. And beside that, I'm just trying to develop a skill, and that is learning English. I can speak English confidently and comfortably, so that's why it's very important to stay in my habit and record myself every single day. Okay, so I thought when I was at home that time, I was just thinking that what people will think about me, because they are not used to see someone walking beside a street and trying to record an English video. So that's why they might think this it's one kind of surprising thing for them. But it doesn't matter for me because I know what I'm doing. So that's why I don't care what people think about me, because I know what I'm doing and I'm know about myself. So that's why every day I'm just trying to develop myself and I'm just trying to record myself, trying to improve my skill. So I almost reached to my coaching center. Almost reached to my coaching center. So I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.